Good day friends. My name is Brooklyn. Today we are going to be talking about how to make money on YouTube, without recording videos, free training. You are lucky to have chosen this video to look at. Today we are going to introduce you to Matt Par and his brilliant strategy plus his completely free training. Welcome to this expose on how to make money on YouTube without recording videos. This is going to be a straight to the point introduction to information that shows you exactly what to do to make money on YouTube, without recording videos. It can be a side hustle. It's not going to be like other trainings that just talk about theory. You are going to be able to walk away from this, with actionable information that you can take right now. Specifically, we are going to be going over different secrets for doing this. Matt went from a completely broke high school student at the age of 14, to now making $30,000 a month with YouTube, some 8 years later. With Matt's teaching material, we want to show you how to do the same. At the date of this video, Matt is about 23 years old. So check out the link below to see what we can do to help you to make money on YouTube without even showing your face. As Matt says, yes, you can do it too, and in this video here today, we are going to give you an introduction to show you exactly what we are doing. The information that we are giving you here today, is from Matt's experience. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link in the description below to take you to Matt's free training. Matt runs over 12 different YouTube channels, 8 of which Matt has never shown his face. Yet he is still able to pull in over $30,000 a month from those YouTube channels. Don't go away. So we've actually broken down making money on YouTube, without recording videos and without showing your face. There are 3 distinct steps that we are going to be going over right now. So, the first thing to do is choose a niche. First of all, you need to find a niche that you can make and upload videos in. And this has to be a niche in which you can make videos without showing your face. So for example, you could do a top 10 channel. Top 10 channels are also referred to as list channels, and we're sure you have seen channels like this on YouTube. For example, you might have seen channels that show the top 10 fastest cars, or the top 5 most shocking Guinness World Records. These are all examples of list videos, which are a perfect way to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face, and without even recording videos. Another great example of a niche is the health niche. For example, you could do videos such as the top 10 ways that drinking apple cider vinegar will help your health. And the key with choosing a niche is that you want to go as specific and as narrow as you possibly can. So then you might not want to do health as a whole general thing, but instead maybe you want to do just vegan health. Or you want to do ways to build muscle. These are great examples of what Matt likes to call sub-niches. You niche down even further from that big broad niche of health, going into something more specific. Alright, now, the second step is to create and upload content. So you're probably wondering how Matt is going to get content if we are not appearing on camera or if we are not recording a face. Now, there are so many different ways that you can go about doing this. One of the favorites that Matt likes to do is just record a voiceover. So, all you have to do is record your own voice. When Matt started off on YouTube, he had this really crappy iPhone that he used to record voiceovers. At the time he was making $9,000 a month as a 16-year-old in high school. So, this is definitely possible to do. But, you need to record voiceovers, and like he says, you don't need any fancy equipment to so do. In a video editor you can overlay clips that you'd like to use. Now, be careful with using clips. Don't just go take other people's clips and then upload them on YouTube. Make sure you have their permission to use those clips and you're following guidelines, such as fair use. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, Click the link in the description below to take you to Matt's free training. But, one of the best things that Matt likes to do is, to go to free stock footage websites. So, some examples of these are pxels.com, and videvio.net. These are great examples of places where you can find completely free stock footage to use within your YouTube videos. Matt says, then you can do a voiceover on top of those videos. And there you go, you have a video that you didn't even record yourself. People with money always have a partner. You are allowed to legally upload those videos onto YouTube and make money as a result from them. And that brings us to our third step, monetizing your YouTube channel. So, you're probably wondering now, how in the world am I going to make money from my channel if I'm just uploading these random videos? So, Matt is saying, I know you can literally do this. Just sit down one day a week and crank out 3 of these videos. It'll take you a couple hours and then simply schedule those videos to be released on YouTube. After 1 year you'll have 144 videos. If each video gets on average 500 views per month, and keep in mind, this will not be consistent. 90% of the views will come from only 10% of the videos. But if we average it out, let's say 500 views per month, which is more than possible, that's 72,000 views per year on your whole channel containing 144 videos. With that many views, you could be making $500 daily. Just say he is even off this by a lot, these are just averages that he found within his own YouTube channels. You can still potentially make a decent income doing this if you do it the right way. Well, there are several different ways you can make money and monetize your YouTube channel. One way is the YouTube Partner Program. So, you can take part in this when you have 4,000 hours of watch time across your entire channel and 1,000 subscribers on your channel. Once you reach those milestones, you're able to join the YouTube Partner Program. YouTube will put ads on your videos and you will be paid for every single view or ad impression within YouTube's rules that you get on those videos. Another great way to monetize your YouTube channel, even if you're not showing your face, is to promote affiliate products. Now you can find products like these on affiliate marketplaces like ClickBank and DGStore24. Another great way to monetize your YouTube channel, even if you're not showing your face, is to promote affiliate products. Now you can find products like these on affiliate marketplaces like ClickBank and DGStore24. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link in the description below to take you to Matt's free training. You can find affiliate products on those websites to promote. So, for example, if you're doing a health YouTube channel, you could find affiliate products like the best green juice, that have an affiliate program. Sign up for those affiliate programs, and then promote those in the link in the description of your YouTube videos. As well, you can put that link in the pinned comment section of your YouTube videos. Matt recommends looking for a product charging at least $500, ideally $1,000 or more. This is because if you get 50% of that, you're automatically making $250 to $500 per sale that you refer. If you get just 1 sale per day, you can see how this could add up to be a lot of money. This is an amazing way to monetize your YouTube channel. You don't have to wait to get those 4,000 hours of watch time, or 1,000 subscribers, to start making money straight off, and help you to start monetizing your YouTube channel right away. So, as a conclusion, there are so many different ways to make money on YouTube. We hope we opened your eyes up in this video a lot. That's some of the different ways out there that you can start making money on YouTube. Most people think YouTube consists of doing what we're doing right now, sitting before a camera, and talking to the camera. But that is not what YouTube is limited to. There's so many different ways to make content, and make money from that content on YouTube. We hope that we made some light bulbs go off in your head, and we hope that you realize that there are so many different ways to make money on YouTube. So, like we said, the program director is Matt Parr. Matt is on a quest to help as many people as he possibly can, replace their 9-to-5 jobs with income from YouTube channels. We provide a link to his site at the top of the comments below. As Matt has said, he currently runs 12 or more different YouTube channels. He wants to show you that this is possible. Matt went from a completely broke high school student at the age of 14, to now making $30,000 a month with YouTube. At the date of this video, Matt is about 23 years old. Matt wants to show you how to do the same. So check out the link in the comments below to see what we can do to help you to make money on YouTube without recording videos. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, how to make money on YouTube without recording videos. Thanks so much for watching. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After you have watched this video, click the link in the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training.